もっと近くにお寄りなさい。
We just got our first meal. So cute. This is seafood pasta and look at that egg. How do they do that? And then we got spaghetti meatball and these alien buns. Also got Coca-Cola and oolong tea. The time has come to try the bonbon. Oh my god, so cute. Red bean. Sesame. Strawberry? Oh, different. Switch. Oh, that's chocolate, not red bean. They had no explanation. I had no idea it's 3 different colors. I like strawberry better than chocolate. What's your guess?
Vanilla, green tea, or red bean, maybe sesame. I don't know.
My guess would be matcha.
And it's more likely vanilla or another chocolate.
Custard. That's my least favorite.
Really?
I think my favorite is strawberry custard and chocolate.
That's my favorite.
That's also, I don't know everybody what's going on about how hard it is to reserve a place in Fantasy Springs. We came in at like between hour 5 and 9:10, and it was so easy to reserve a ride on the phone. I got us a reservation for the Rapunzel Lantern Festival ride, and that one is at 2 o'clock. And I also reserved a Journey to the Center of the Earth for 4:30. Everything is so easy on the app, it's crazy.
I'm gonna look at my Pandora charm. I get Disney charm from each Disney park. And hold on. And some of them are just like Disney charm. Shake the cup.
Look at how cute. New York.
Wow, welcome to Disney.
I finally found the ears that I wanted. But now it's raining and we have no umbrella.
You wanna get? It's just ears.
We're on a gondola ride and we have the whole thing to ourselves.
Romantic jacking.
Wow. Sorry. We pay extra.
I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Guys, I found Johnny Depp. We stopped by for a snack. We're very cold, very hungry.
3 hours later.
Guys, it's raining so bad. I'm officially all soaked. Currently waiting here for the Indiana Jones, which I had reserved for 4:30. So in a couple minutes, I'm gonna go have priority. So we're skipping the line to our very own entrance. Tonight we're having a KFC.
This is a 5-star dining.
Wow, I don't like their napkins. Why are they like
Waxy?
Yeah. Ooh, I got half and half. They have something here called the garlic chicken, so I have half and half, which is half original and half garlic. So that's the garlic, and this is the original. Also, it came with a small fry, and like this is what a small is supposed to look like.
There's like 5
We super size our smalls in America. That looks like our regular small fries. I'm back and sad to report there are no forks and knives in the room upstairs. They only have a microwave, which we don't have on our floor. So we're gonna go in with hands and knees today. It was raining so much today. We were so tired by the time we left. And this is the earliest we've ever been back at the hotel. It's currently 7:30, and I think we've been home since like 6. We're gonna go to sleep super early today because we have a full day trip tomorrow to Keto Word for the Super Book Off, Super 2nd Street, and then there's also like one local thrift store-ish. This is breakfast. I got a salad with some mashed potatoes, and then this is my main plate. Have some scrambled eggs, eel. This is more mashed potato with squash. I have a sausage and roast beef. And this is what Kelly's having. She grabbed udon. Guys, Kelly brought natto, and I'm about to try my first bean. Like, why is it sticky? It's not that bad.
In my opinion, that is the texture of a good natto.
The flavor is good.
Yeah.
I don't think I can eat the whole thing. I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. Like, it's not terrible, but I wouldn't gravitate towards it. I think today's the latest we've ever slept in. I woke up at 7:30. Kelly went to bed at 9 and woke up at 4. I feel so rested. Their sausage is giving hot dog, but like not in a way that I like it. Got some apple juice. It looks really clear, but it tastes exactly like apple. Also, update, my eye is looking a lot better now. Like, it's completely deflated, but I am still puffy. I think it's from like, I don't want to say lack of sleep. Maybe I'm just like tired from traveling this past few days. I sent my brother a picture of me with the otters, and the first thing he said was, "Damn, your eye bags are really bad. You need some sleep." After breakfast, we're going upstairs to grab an empty suitcase because today we're going to Keto Word to do extensive shopping. They have a Super Book Off there and a Super 2nd Street, along with like really big local thrift store. So we're gonna go see what's up. I like that it's not so thick. Right off the train, we went to a Daiso. We did a little bit of damage there. Kelly is currently still shopping there, so I stopped by 7-Eleven for a little refresher. Surprisingly, it was so hot over here. It was freezing in Ginza, so I had to change into a mock neck. Here, it's so hot, so I took off my cardigan. Good thing about suitcase, so I just stuffed everything in there. Guys, I'm in a ceramic section, and guess what I found? This is so Fairytopia-esque. I want to bring it back, but I don't know how to pack it, and I also don't know what else to do with it. I found more. This is like a little tulip, and this is like a lotus. Oh, that one? Yeah. Oh shit. Conveyor belt sushi is more stressful than I thought.
Peanut red.
Guys, I told you they have pork sashimi here. Oh my god, look at how cute! I got the exact same one. I hate you. Consistency.
hours later.
Dinner, we're at this eel place and we're so hangry. I'm not gonna talk. I think after this trip, my chopstick skills are gonna improve. 10 minutes later.